Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how you can make your iPhone faster, especially if you have been using your phone for a long time and it's slowly slowing down. If you go to your settings, then scroll down to battery, hit battery, then hit battery health. You not only can see your maximum capacity, mine is at 87%, but also the text below peak performance capability. In short, it says that if Apple notices that the battery is getting worse over time, your iPhone will slow down. This feature came out in 2017 with a software update, but without even informing the users about it. But now, what can we do against this? So let's come back to the little hack to make your iPhone fast again. For this, just go back to your normal settings, then hit the button General. Go to language and region, and here at region you want to type in France. Then just click on France and click on change to France. Now, why should you change your region to France? And why does this work? Because slowing down the iPhone on purpose is illegal in France. Okay, that was a little hack on how to make your iPhone fast again. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.